Ever thought about starting your own e-commerce business? In the flourishing digital age, e-commerce is becoming an increasingly attractive avenue for entrepreneurs. With low overhead costs, the ability to reach a global audience, and unparalleled flexibility, it's no wonder why. Imagine running a business from your living room, reaching customers across the globe, and having the power to scale at your own pace. Starting an e-commerce business may seem daunting, but with the right guidance, it can be a rewarding venture. The first step to starting an e-commerce business is conducting thorough market research. Don't underestimate this critical stage. It's your foundation, your compass guiding you in the right direction. It's all about identifying niche opportunities and understanding your target audience. Imagine you're a detective. Your mission is to uncover the secrets of the market. There are various tools and techniques at your disposal. Google Trends, for example, reveals what's hot and what's not, showing you the ebbs and flows of public interest over time. Competitor analysis is another crucial strategy. Look at successful businesses in your desired field. What are they doing right? What could be improved? Learn from their triumphs and mistakes. Lastly, customer surveys can provide invaluable insights. Ask potential customers about their preferences, their pain points, their desires. Engage with them, listen to them. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand your market, the better equipped you are to succeed. Once you've completed your market research, it's time to choose a profitable niche. Picking a niche isn't just a hasty decision, it's a calculated strategy. Consider factors like market demand, competition level, and profit margins. Look for a niche with high demand and low competition. Additionally, the profit margin should be high enough to sustain your business and fuel growth. Remember, it's not just about profitability. Choose a niche you are passionate about and have some expertise in. This will make your journey more enjoyable and rewarding. Before you dive in, it's crucial to validate your product idea. This step serves as your safety net, ensuring you're not investing your time and resources into a product that won't sell. So, how do you validate your product idea? Well, there are several effective methods. Firstly, conducting pre-sales. This involves selling your product before it's even created. It's a great way to gauge interest and secure funding. Secondly, launching a crowdfunding campaign. Platforms like Kickstarter or Indiegogo are perfect for this. They not only validate your idea, but also help raise the funds needed to bring your product to life. Lastly, creating a minimum viable product, or MVP. This is a simplified version of your product that's released to a small group of people to test its viability. Validating your product idea can save you from costly mistakes and ensure that your business is built on a solid foundation. Now that you've validated your product idea, it's time to create a business plan. This crucial blueprint encompasses several key elements. Start with an executive summary that outlines your e-commerce vision. Follow this with a thorough market analysis and a well-thought-out marketing strategy. Don't forget to plan your operations, determining how your business will run day to day. Lastly, make realistic financial projections. A well-crafted business plan will serve as your roadmap to success. Next, you'll need to choose a business model that aligns with your goals and resources. There are various e-commerce business models to consider. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory. Private labeling involves selling products under your own brand, while manufacturing means producing your own products. Each model has its own advantages and challenges, from cost and complexity to control and scalability. It's crucial to consider your resources, expertise, and long-term vision. Choosing the right business model can greatly influence the success of your e-commerce business. Once you've chosen a business model, it's time to set up your online store. This is where the magic happens, where your vision comes to life in a digital space. Firstly, you'll need to choose an e-commerce platform that suits your business needs. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce are popular choices, each with their unique features, pros, and cons. Your choice should align with your budget, technical skills, and the specific needs of your business. The next step is picking a domain name. This is your online address, the URL customers will type in or click on to find your store. Make it memorable, easy to spell, and if possible, it should reflect your brand name or the products you sell. Now let's talk about themes. Themes determine the look and feel of your online store. Many e-commerce platforms offer a range of free and paid themes. Choose a theme that resonates with your brand identity and provides a great user experience. Customizing your store is the next part of the process. This involves adding your products, creating product categories, and setting up essential pages such as the About Us page, Contact Us page, and of course your privacy policy and terms of service. Lastly, you'll need to configure your payment gateways. This is how you'll accept payments from your customers. PayPal, Stripe, and credit card processors are common choices. Setting up your online store is a big step towards launching your e-commerce business. Take your time, follow these steps, and you'll be ready to welcome your first customers in no time. Now that your online store is set up, it's time to attract customers. The online world is teeming with potential customers, and it's your job to guide them to your store. Start by implementing search engine optimization, or SEO. This is a process that ensures your website is easily discoverable by search engines, leading to increased visibility and more traffic. Next, leverage the power of social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest can be incredibly effective for promoting your products and engaging with your audience. Don't forget about email marketing. It's one of the most cost-effective ways to reach your customers, providing you with the opportunity to nurture relationships and encourage repeat purchases. Consider partnering with influencers in your niche. They can help you reach a wider audience and build trust with potential customers. Lastly, don't shy away from paid advertising. Platforms like Google AdWords and Facebook ads can help you target your ideal customers and bring them straight to your store. Remember, attracting customers is an ongoing effort. Be prepared to constantly improve and adapt your strategies. Attracting customers is just the first part of the equation. The next step is to optimize for conversions. This means you're not just focusing on getting people to your store, but ensuring they complete the purchase. It's about turning window shoppers into paying customers. There are several techniques to optimize for conversions. One of these is A/B testing, where you compare two versions of a web page to see which performs better. It's a method to measure the effectiveness of your product pages, headlines, call to actions, and more. Improving website speed and performance is another crucial aspect. A slow-loading site can turn away potential customers. Optimizing product pages is also key. Clear, compelling product descriptions, high-quality images, and easy navigation can make a world of difference. Lastly, persuasive copywriting and design elements can influence buying decisions. Your website should tell a story that resonates with your customers. Optimizing for conversions is an ongoing process. Always be testing and improving to maximize your sales. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge to start your e-commerce journey. From conducting market research, selecting a profitable niche, validating your product idea, to creating a business plan, choosing a business model, setting up your online store, attracting customers, and optimizing for conversions, you've covered it all. Remember, there's a wealth of tools, articles, and guides out there to support you. Now it's time to take action. Start your e-commerce business today and unlock your potential as an entrepreneur.